Hey y'all, this is Joe out here at the cabin at St. Bernard Acres. This is Friday, December 11th, and just making a check on things. It all looks good. I have Creamer's fine. He's doing great. So, we all know he's good. You gonna walk with me, buddy? Yeah, we gotta take our walk around the barn. A little windy, but let me tell you, I have a t-shirt on, a long sleeve t-shirt on. That's it. This is December 11th, and it's 63 degrees out. I'm telling you, I'm loving it. I've said it before. If this is global warming, tell me where to donate so we can keep it coming. But the solar panels are doing fine. The rack's not blown down yet, so all those people, quit walking in front of me, dummy. You're gonna trip me and I'm gonna break a hip out here. Watch it. You're nuts. Don't walk in front of me now. Of course, he won't do it now. I got some cabinets I drug down here to the barn before I started recording, and realized the key to the barn is up in the cabin. So I got to go back up and get the keys so I can take those cabinets into the barn. Well, we do our little walk around, make sure nothing's been messed with and everything is still secure. Try to keep from kicking Creamer. But yeah, everything looks good. I've got a new tool, if you will. A new tool that a subscriber got me for Christmas. I'm going to be unboxing that and showing it to you and trying it out. I wonder if I can hear if my spring is still running. Go down here on this second level. Some of you new subscribers have never been down here. We had this all brush hogged out one day, a couple, 3 years ago, but it just got away from us again. I might come back down here and do it again. But you can see the barn up there. This is out back behind the barn. We have all of this land as well. And it all goes down into that valley. There's a stream that runs down there that I know is spring fed. I just have to find the spring. But I found one over here and started working with it. And things got crazy at work and I didn't get to come out here. But it was right in here. You can see some hoses there where I was messing with it. Creamer, what are you doing all the way down here? But yeah, if I clear all that out, that's a lot more property. And it goes way over in that direction. And again, I'll show you where the barn is in relation to where I am. But the stream, or the spring, is right in here. There's some more of the pipe going. It was right up in this area. I'm going to have to clear it all out again. But yeah, I can hear it running. That pipe still goes into it. And I can hear it running. I'll be darned. Oh well, I'll get to it. I know if I come out here, I'll I'll have water at least. These honey locust trees, man, you see the spikes on those? That's what we got to deal with down here. And I wonder, look how that tree, let's see if I can sneak past this honey locust and get down there a little closer. And all these thorns, holy crap. Wow. Let go of me. Man. Anyway, there's a tree broken down there. And it's still standing up. It's still stuck up in the top part in one of the honey locust trees. I got a bunch of those locusts out here. But yeah, this is the back side of the property that most, people don't get to see a lot. You coming, buddy? Huh? You ever been down here? All right. Let's get back up there. This is another side. There's a lot more clearing I want to do. At least to get down in there part of the way. Get all this garbage stuff out of the way. All the scrub and thorns. And I think I could go down in there and have some fun. I don't know what's down there. I just saw something. Huh. I'll have to walk down in there. There's some of this property that we've never seen. Because it's just not worth going through all of that to get through it. But eventually we will. So this will give you a better idea of the cabinets I got from that lady that was going to scrap these Youngstown Kitchens metal cabinets. And I snagged them so I can refinish them. I got that upper corner cabinet. Then these two uppers. But those two uppers. And then this is an upper that went over the sink. I don't have the doors for it, the glass or plexiglass doors. I'll have to make some that slide across. And then that cabinet or counter and sink was original to it. And I got this corner base, which is a Lazy Susan, which is really awesome. I got this base of 4 drawers. And then in the cabin, I have that old farmhouse sink sitting on the base, the sink base, and another base cabinet with a drawer and a cabinet with 2 shelves in it that make up the 54 inches that I needed for that farmhouse sink. But I'm going to be pulling those out of there, bringing them down here to the barn, and then I'm going to restore all of it, the whole kitchen. And then whatever we build out here, that will become our kitchen. I'm going to have a retro kitchen, which would be pretty cool. Because these are from the 50s. They're all, you can see it on this door even. They're all serial numbered. And, part of a set. Those are pretty cool. She was going to scrap them. I'm like, hang that up. I'll take them. So, this is what Sam sent me for a Christmas present. And what I'd mentioned I wanted was a 10-inch chainsaw, but he said they were out of them. They were back ordered. So he bought me the 40 volt 14-inch cordless chainsaw. I love it. And you know, we had the Worx jaw saw. Gail's got the Worx leaf blower and the weed eater. And they all use those 20 volt batteries. And what this uses is 2 of the 20 volt batteries to make it 40 volts. And they sent 2 more batteries and a dual charger. So I'm going to open this up and try it out if I got the stuff here to try it out with and see what it's like. I brought 2 fully charged batteries with me from home because I don't know if these are charged up batteries or what they are. But let me get positioned here to where I can open this up and we'll have a little box opening and try out, see what we got. Well, I don't have much to work with in here. I didn't think about that. I probably should have opened it up at home and brought it out here, but we'll see what we can do. I'll give it my best shot. All right. Let's see what's in the box. It's supposed to be completely toolless. We start with the instructions, which I need. Now, just so y'all know, I'm not a lumberjack. I don't do a whole lot of cutting down trees. I have my 20-inch pull-in. There's the dual charger. That's pretty cool. The batteries. And this must be the chainsaw. All right, looky here. Move this stuff. Chain brake. Chain guard. Supposed to be self-adjusting, but this right here does it. If it gets loose or the chain falls off or whatever, this will get you in there. You don't need the driver's board or anything. It's all toolless. Sweet. It's about 10 pounds. All right. I don't think I need that on there. A brushless motor. Chain oil, bar oil goes in here. And unlike any other chainsaws I've used, you can see what's in there. You can see if you have any or not. That's nice and stiff. All right. There's not much to it, really. I mean, that's a nice chainsaw. I think for what I do out here, like I said, I don't do a lot of out here. I've got a lot of poplar saplings that are, 6 to 8 inches and limbs that need to be done. No big trees do I have that I have to take down. So rather than carrying around the gas can and the oil mix and the bar oil and all this kind of stuff, these batteries, from what I understand and the research I've done, these 2 amp hour batteries should last 30 to 45 minutes. And which is okay because I only last about 30 to 45 minutes. But that's all I'll be doing. I'm not, this isn't going to be processing, a cord of firewood. This is just for use around here and clearing brush and if a storm comes through, clearing up branches and stuff. That's all it's going to be used for. That's why I wanted one of these battery operated ones. I can just grab it, walk into the woods. I got some trees over here to the side. I'm going to go try it out. If I have some bar oil here. Dang it. That may be in my chainsaw case with the coolant. Damn it. It didn't come with any. I don't know if these are charged or not. Nope. Nope. So I'm glad I brought batteries. Now I know. Let me see if I've got any bar oil here. Damn it. Looky here. All right. Yeah. Okay. So, let me get the other batteries, put some oil in it, and see what happens. So let me put some in here. I got a rag because I always spill stuff. I said don't overfill it, so I didn't. I didn't want to go that far into the stem, but that's all right. I didn't spill it. There you go, Creamer. Go put that up. Yeah, go put that up. All right. Let's stick a couple batteries in. Look at that. 5 bars. I like that little gauge to let you know how much juice you have left. So let me reposition this. I'm going to go outside and do this. I'll be back with you. Alright. I got a couple of these left that I can try this on and see if it'll cut. Put the chain brake on. It's got a little bit of torque. I like that. Let's see what we get here. Heck yeah. That when you stop this, when you let go of the trigger, it's done. It's very quiet. It doesn't keep on running. I'm going to get the thorn bushes out of the way. Cut this down. expected. But check it out. There's a lot for the fire pit. Yeah, and I still have 5 lights. Well, you probably can't see that. Still have 5. Shit. Heck yeah. What are you doing over here? What are you doing over here? Huh? Silly boy. Go. This is... I have no idea who this dog is. Don't go in my cabin. Man, when I first looked over, it scared the shit out of me. I was glad I had the chainsaw with me. But yeah, I have no idea where that dog came from. So, let me go put this up. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think this is going to be a great little tool for out here, and just so convenient and so easy to use. I cannot thank him enough for sending this to me. I was not expecting this. Like I said, I was expecting the 10-inch. They used only 1 battery. I think I had underestimated what I'd use. This I will definitely use. So I'm glad he sent me the 14-inch. All right. So now with that brake on, it should run. See that? That's the chain brake. So yeah, see that? Still 5 batteries. I don't think you want to come out here, Creamer. Hey, dog. Dog. You know what? I got some puppy food for you. Hang on. I got some of Max's food in there. Let me go get him some food. He might be a little hungry. For me? No, I guess he's going on his way. What? What? Let me get some water and some puppy food. Hang on. Gosh. Well, he scared the shit out of me, but I can go get him some food and water. He didn't bite me. This is puppy food, but Creamer left it out here. Here you go. You need some? Go ahead. Go ahead, buddy. Well, he must be well fed. I guess he's gonna save it for the raccoons. There you go. Yeah. Maybe he was a little nervous. Pretty dog. Got a collar on, so he must belong to somebody. Oh, well, we attract them, I'm telling you. If there's a stray dog or cat within 10 miles of one of us, it's going to show up. So, there's your surprise. He kind of scared me, but immediately I could see in his eyes that he wasn't going to bother me. So, as long as he looked at my eyes, we were okay. But yeah, anyway, so that's my review of the Worx chainsaw. I really like it. This is Joe out of St. Bernard Acres. I hope you like this. Share it, comment on it. I'll leave a link, not where I bought it, but where you can buy this at either Worx's website, worx.com, or you can buy them on Amazon. They're the same price. If I put a link for Amazon, at least, you know, if you go through my affiliate, then I get, you know, a little cut of that. But yeah, I can't wait to get out here now and go back to work, because all those are come down with no problem. I like this little saw. But thank you all for watching. This is Joe and Creamer and special guest. We're out.